In this video, we are going to learn 3 ways to make night effect in Kinemaster. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, click to this media, then import that file in which you want to make night effect. Suppose this is the file. So since this is a night, the image is very bright. I want to dark it. So let's see how we can do that. So here I'm going to tell you 3 ways to do that. So let's import this file for 3 times. So at last I will show you the difference between all of them. Let us do that. Go to media. Then import your file. Now this one is the original image. Let us keep it as it is. We will make changes in this image. So first method is go to this layers. Then from here select effects. Now here you have to search a effect, that is, the name of the effect is Virginity. When you click it, you will get this effect. And now click to this check button. Now from here you can scale it as much you want, and from here you can rotate it. So this was the default. Now I will scale it in this way. You can see now the difference between this image and this image. This image, even though it is night, the image is very bright. Here we can clearly see the difference. Yes, this is the image of night. If you want to make some few more changes, you can do that by dragging this. If you want your image should be little bright, you can scale it. Or if you want your image should be in dark, you can do this. So I hope you understood this. Now let us see second method of making the night effect. In order to do that, click to your image. Then you will get this effect here as well, Virginity. Now this effect is off. You can on it and you can see this effect has applied to this image directly. If you want to see the difference, this was the original effect and now this is the applied effect. Okay, now let's see the third way of applying the night effect. The third way is go to this layer. From here add media. Go to this background and take this black background. Now scale it. Now from here search for alpha opacity. When you get this, click to this and from here you can decrease the opacity so your image will be visible. So let me show you. This was our original image, which is very bright. After applying a effect, Virginity, we got this result. After directly applying this effect from this off and on switch button, we got this result. And third result we got from after applying a background image. So this were the 3 ways of applying a night effect to your image. You can apply this effect to your video as well.